Hey, it's your boy The Hun. I got another unboxing video. So this time from Ninja-kun mode. So, doing bits since I get ordered something from them. Any reasons for that? Honestly, whatever. So, let's open this bad boy up. Come on. Come on. Oh, sorry, I'm doing this a little bit beneath the line of sight due to like a desk space. More stuff could come on that eventually, maybe. Who knows? We'll see. Yes, I can fly. Come on, nothing. That's one. That's two. That goes down. Alright, so open her up. We got a nice little, as usual, beautiful looking file holder holding packing set. Got a bunch of stuff as well. And now for the piece de la resistance. The double XL Ninja-kun mode fan-made shirts. This actually, yeah, probably should. Well, this is the only size available, so I mean, guess I'll try it on. So I'm currently wearing XL. Different. Actually, no, this is also from Tom. Surprisingly. Yeah. So heads up, the shirt has not been washed. So actually, you know, it actually doesn't fit too bad. Gotta say. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit big, but you know, looks pretty good. Obviously, it smells fresh. Oops. Back. Look at it. It's pretty cool. It actually has the, on the back, Ninja-kun mode 7th anniversary. And of course on the front, we got all the Ninja-kuns helping out. All of them. Look at that. So many. Bunch of Ninja-kuns helping out. Hopefully, you know, submit some stuff, and we'll see what happens. Not gonna say more than that, because I don't want to do no jinxing. Just toss you there. And I guess that's about it. And enjoy the rest of your time.